happened to you?
Stay away from Mohan.
Sister Damini, Mohan got bit by a snake.
Even by mistake, if Mohan finds out that Radha is in love with him, then he will marry Radha. She will become his wife. Have you forgotten, Kadampari? A few days ago, you did not like these people. And now, they have become your family members. And we have become outsiders.
Did something happen? Kadambari, what's the matter?
No, Aunt. Nothing has happened.
Something is not right.
I am absolutely aware, Tulsi, that you are following us. Even I want to see how far you can follow us.
Aunt Kaveri took mother out of the house. This means she doesn't want me to find out what she is doing. But what is she going to do?
You come with me.
What? What happened, sister? What happened?
This has happened. See.
Damini? 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 Damini, are you all right?
You were right, Mother. The Lord itself brought Radha and Mohan together. Am I right? This girl came to our house for Mohan. She said that she came to give us Bhagavad Gita and she would leave after that. She didn't leave, but she ensured that I would have to leave this house. She is going to become the daughter-in-law of this family. All thanks to her Lord Krishna.
Thank you, Lord Krishna.
I don't know where Aunt Kaveri took mother and what is she doing. These people can go to any extent to get what they want. I'm feeling restless.
Gungun used to hate Radha. But slowly Radha managed to win over her. They became so close that Gungun can't live without Radha anymore.
Radha, Mohan and Gungun. My incomplete family will be complete again. Lord Krishna, I hope Aunt Kaveri and Damini don't destroy their relationship.
Mohan used to hate Radha. You know, he wanted to throw her out of his life and his house. But Radha warmed her way into Mohan's heart. That Mohan fought with everyone in order to let Radha stay in this house. Radha used to treat Mohan as her god. But now, Mohan treats Radha as his goddess.
Lord Krishna, Radha is the one who brought Mohan close to you once again. It is your responsibility to unite Radha and Mohan.
You know, Mohan never believed in God. But Radha worked her magic on him. Now Mohan joins his hands and prays to the Lord all the time. Gungun used to hate Mohan. And you know that she never liked seeing her father's face at all. But Radha united them also.
You snatched Gungun's this mother from her. After that, Radha came in her life. And she took the place of her mother. Lord Krishna, please don't snatch Gungun's second mother from her. Don't snatch my daughter's mother. And please don't snatch Radha from Mohan. I hope Damini and Aunt Kaveri don't destroy their happiness, Lord Krishna.
Wow. She's Radha. She can do anything. Look over there, mother. A girl came and she changed a boy's life completely. She taught him to love again. She turned him into a devotee. That girl gave him a new life, mother. It is a perfect story. Am I right, mother? But there's another girl in this story. The girl who loved that boy since childhood. Do you know, mother, she even saw him marrying another girl. And then she also saw that girl die. She saw that boy's heart being broken. And without thinking about anything or asking for anything, she took care of that boy. She tried to pick up the pieces of his life, mother. You know, mother, she dedicated her whole life to him. But that girl turned out to be very unfortunate. Do you know why? Because the boy she lived for, she did everything. She did everything for that boy. But now he started liking another girl, mother. And you know, his mother also thinks that the girl is perfect for her son. And now the poor girl has become lonely again. Do you know who that girl is? It's me.
Damini, don't say that, dear.
I haven't said anything yet, Mother. Or should I call you Aunt now? Because you don't want to become my mother-in-law.
No.
Before you make any decisions, you should take a look at this. There is a new girl in Mohan Trivedi's life, Radha. Who is Mohan drawn to? Damini or Radha? All these articles were printed in the newspaper when Mohan and Radha were caught with each other in that puddle. But you know, Aunt, that is old news. Now just listen to breaking news. Mohan Trivedi, who was accused of burning his wife to death, now his fiancée immolates herself because of him. Will Mohan Trivedi escape conviction this time?
No.
Update. Damini, Mohan Trivedi's fiancée, didn't immolate, but she was murdered. Mohan Trivedi set fire to his fiancée Damini because he found his new love interest in Radha. How many more innocent women will Mohan Trivedi kill?
I beg of you, Damini. What are you saying?
Aunt, this is the news that will be printed after I die. Take this. Take it, Aunt. Read it.
What is this?
Are you unable to read it? I will tell you what's written in it. I, Damini, being of sound mind and body, declare with this letter that I am in love with Mohan Trivedi. He got engaged to me. He promised to marry me. But now he is going to marry Radha. So now I feel my life is in so much danger. Mohan Trivedi wants to kill me. Mohan was absolved from the charges of killing Tulsi, but I will leave such damning evidence against Mohan that even Lord Krishna won't be able to save him.
Lord Krishna, please, don't let Damini and Aunt Kaveri cast an evil eye on them.
Damini, I beg of you, dear. I am ready to fall at your feet. Please, please don't do this. Don't do this.
Aunt, I had told you. If I don't get married to Mohan, then my life will be meaningless.
No.
I had told you that.
No. Damini! What are you doing, Damini?
Hey, what are you doing? Please stop
No,
this.
no,
Stop
Damini,
this.
stop it.
Stay away
Don't
from
do
me.
it.
Go away from here.
Listen to me.
Damini!
Stay away from me or else I will immolate myself. Go away from here.
We are moving away. We are moving away.
You told me the tale of Radha and Mohan. Now it's my turn to tell you a story, Aunt. And the whole world will hear this story. Radha and Mohan can be together for sure. But only over my dead body.
No.
Kadambari!
Stop it! Damini, please. I will do as you say. We will do things exactly the way you want. Please don't do this. I beg of you, Damini. Mohan won't get married. Won't get married to Radha. He will marry you. I promise you that. Please don't do this. Please, Damini. Damini. My son was falsely accused of a crime he didn't commit that has already turned his life into a living hell. If he is accused of a crime yet again, then his life will be ruined completely. I promise you, you will get married to Mohan. I promise you.
If Mohan gets married to me, then his life will be so perfect.
Yes.
And if by any chance you persuade Mohan, or if he decides to break up with me anytime, then
No.
look
Please
at
don't.
this.
No.
This rope, this.
No.
Damini, what are you doing?
This. And this.
No, don't.
I have
Don't
many
do
ways
it.
to
no,
do it,
No, Damini.
but the outcome will be only one. My death.
No. I have already promised you. I gave you my word, Damini. Please don't do this. Mohan will spend his life with you.
Yes. That's great. Then I won't address you as aunt. I will address you as a mother.
This is my version of manchow soup.
I see, Mohan. What's the name?
Manchow?
Manjao?
Hmm.
Oh, what kind of name is this?
What do you mean?
Mohan, I just can't have this.
Hey, first of all, this is not manchow, it's manchow soup. Why can't you have it? You even consumed the snake's venom. I'm joking. You should smile more. Come on, take it and drink it up.
Should I?
Just keep quiet and have it.
Okay.
This is the right time to tell Mohan what is in Radha's heart. Radha is always quiet. She never says anything. You were going to say something in the garden, right? before the snake kissed him? Radha.
Mohan.
Yeah, you were going to tell me something that night in the garden.
No, no.
What do you mean?
No, I mean. No, it was nothing, Mohan.
Liar, liar, pants on fire.
Mother, I'm glad that you're back. I was wondering what Aunt Kaveri was up to now. What new tricks was she going to play?
Hey, what's going on? So you also know what she was going to?
Of course I do.
What do you know? What do you know? What are you talking about? You don't know anything. You were not even at the garden.
Yes, I know. I was not there. We are roommates. So I know when and what you want to say.
I was at the garden, but why I don't know.
For instance, do you remember that sketch I made?
When you see it.
And you said
Gun,
you
Gun,
said
Gun,
he should
Gun,
have slightly
bring this,
chubby
Gun.
cheeks,
What is she saying?
a
What are
slightly
you
dusty
saying?
complexion.
Bring this.
Yeah,
okay?
yeah, feed her the
Gun,
soup.
Gun, have this soup.
Yes, come on, drink
I
it.
mean, manchow soup.
Manchow soup, she likes it.
Hey,
Get her to
have
drink the
this,
soup.
Gun.
It will make
It's
her more
nice, right?
obedient.
Mother, you see, don't you? The three of them are right for each other. Just go and talk to them about their wedding. Please go, Mother. The court might have acquitted you, but I haven't absolved you of these charges. You committed the sin of
She
killing
was
my
murdered.
daughter.
Will Mohan Trivedi escape conviction this time? I, Damini, being of sound mind and body, declare with this letter that Mohan Trivedi wants to kill me.
But I haven't
Damini,
absolved you
being
of
of
these
sound
charges.
mind and
You
body,
committed the sin of
declare
killing
with
my
this letter
daughter.
that Mohan Trivedi wants to kill me.
Forget about the soup, focus on Radha. Ask her what she wants to tell you.
Mohan, I love you very much.
Radha, say it. Tell Mohan that you love him a lot. Tell him, Radha.
Hey, what do you want to tell me?
Please tell him.
It's nothing important.
If Radha confesses her feelings for Mohan, then everything will be ruined. I will have to do something.
Mohan. Actually, I wanted to say. You see.
Mother!
Mom? Mom?
Grandma!
Mom?
Mom, are you okay?
Mom, what happened?
Grandma!
You...
How did you
What
fall?
happened? What happened, Mom? You please tell me.
Mohan Trivedi's fiancée didn't immolate herself. She was murdered. Will Mohan Trivedi escape conviction this time as well? Mohan Trivedi set fire to his fiancée Damini because he found his new love interest in Radha. Will Mohan Trivedi escape conviction this time as well? Will Mohan Trivedi escape conviction this time as well? Will Mohan Trivedi escape conviction this time as well?
Mom!
Aunt!
Mom! I will call the doctor.
Please. Aunt! Oh gosh.
Pumpkin managed to save the day today. But I need to find a permanent solution for this, Radha.
Mom, how are you feeling now?
You don't need to worry, Mohan. Actually, her blood pressure shot up. I have given her a pill for that. She will be fine by morning. But I think you should get her ECG done.
Why the ECG? Is everything okay, doctor?
Yes, everything is fine. It's just a precaution. She just seems a bit stressed, actually. Just take care of her.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, doctor. Mom, what is going on? What are you stressed about? How come your blood pressure shot up all of a sudden?
Tell me, Aunt Kadambari.
Yes, mother. We have a reason to be happy. Then, what are you so worried about? Did Aunt Kaveri say something to you?
Mom, you wanted to say something to Radha and me. And then you left with Aunt Kaveri. What happened that caused you so much distress?
Mother, here is your medicine.
What
You
happened,
need to
Mom?
take care of yourself. Now, Mohan and I are going to get married. There is so much to do. Only you can handle it. Am I right?
Oh Lord, I wonder who has cast an evil eye on our family. The doctor's visit do not seem to end. Is this a house or a hospital?
No, Aunt. Please don't worry. Aunt Kadambari is fine.
Listen, now this priest's daughter has become a doctor.
No, I mean, that's what the doctor said. Aunt Kadambari is fine. I was just repeating that.
Tell me, Mom. What caused your blood pressure to shoot up? Are you stressed about something?
Yes, Mother. Tell them. Did anyone say anything to you?
I'm sure, mother. Damini and Aunt Kaveri have something to do with this.
Well,
Mohan, did you tell Mother about that journalist?
I don't know about that.
I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you all. Actually, a journalist had called me. He wants to interview Radha and Mohan. He wants to know how they saved Gungun. Isn't that great, Mother? They will publish Radha and Mohan's pictures in the paper. Everyone will talk about them. Everyone will find out what happened. Should I tell him that they will give the interview? Mohan Trivedi's fiancée didn't immolate herself. She was murdered. Will Mohan Trivedi escape conviction this time as well? Mohan Trivedi set fire on his fiancée Damini because he found his new love interest in Radha. Will Mohan Trivedi escape conviction this time as well?
no. It's okay. I feel that luck is not on our side right now. I don't want to draw people's attention towards our family unnecessarily. Please refuse them.
Okay, mother.
You should relax, Mom. There is no need to worry, please.
I am fine, Mohan. I just wanted to say that you and Radha escaped unharmed from that snake bite. When anything happens to her children, then a mother is the one who feels the most pain.
I'm sure Damini and her mom did something. Why else would mother be so stressed otherwise?
I'm absolutely fine, Mohan. You should go and rest now. I am fine, Mohan.
I won't go anywhere. I will stay here.
Mohan, I am fine, son. Don't worry about me.
Okay, Mom, then. Radha, please come with me. I want to talk to you.
Mother, how can Radha go with Mohan?
Mohan, if you don't mind, then can Radha stay with me for some time? You see, actually, your dad is not at home. Ketki and Rahul have also gone out. So, I will feel better if Radha stays here with me.
Why would I mind that, Mom? I'll go now.
Mohan. Gungun,
I'm going to Gungun's room because tonight I'll sleep over there.
please play the flute.
Yes, I will take the flute along and I will surely play it for her.
Good night.
Good night. Good night, Mom.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Aunt Kadambari, I'll get one more blanket for you, okay?
Now that's like a good mother-in-law. The best mother-in-law in the world.
This Mohan is hovering over Radha like bees over honey just to ask her what she exactly wanted to tell him. Oh Lord, if Radha tells him that she is in love with him and if he reciprocates to her feelings, then what will we do?
If Radha tells him how she feels about him, Mohan will jump at the opportunity. Do you know why? Because that fool doesn't know who is right for him. I am right for Mohan, mother. But you just please don't worry. Radha won't be able to tell Mohan how she feels. I will see to it for sure.
What? How will emptying the water bottle help?
You just wait and watch it for sure unfold before your eyes. Just be prepared to pull an all-nighter. Mark my words, Radha's inherent goodness will cause her to do the wrong thing.
is Mohan getting wet in the rain so late in the night? He will fall sick. Help me, Lord Krishna.
What do you think? Did you think I didn't hear what you said in the garden yesterday? I heard everything. Radha, what you said yesterday. It touched me in the heart. I'm really glad you said that, seriously. Because I didn't have the courage to say it. Radha, the way you feel about me, I feel the same way about you. I love you a lot, Radha. I love you.
Mohan, I love you too, Mohan. I really love you. I love you. I love you. I love you a lot, Mohan. love you the most. I love you more than myself. And even I love you more than Lord Krishna. Yes, Mohan. I love you very much. I love you very, very, very much, Mohan. I love you. Oh, Lord Krishna, what was I mumbling? Thankfully, Aunt Kadambari was in deep sleep. Otherwise, it would have been a disaster. Yes, Mohan. I love you very much. I love you very, very, very much, Mohan. I love you.
Oh, my Lord Krishna. Radha has fallen in love with Mohan.
Mohan Trivedi set his fiancée Damini ablaze and killed her for his lover Radha. Can he escape imprisonment this time?
I don't know how Damini will behave with the poor girl. Oh, Lord. Please protect Radha. I will not let my son's love be sacrificed for Damini's madness.
If I don't get married to Mohan this time, then I will die, Mom.
I will have to do something. Otherwise, Radha will really fall into their trap.
I thought Radha and her grandma would leave after listening to what I said. But I think they won't leave so easily. Both of them will have to pay for what Grandma has done today.
I am glad you are also here. I wanted to share a piece of good news with you. The priest has finalized Mohan and Damini's wedding date.
I managed to get Pumpkin under control, Mom. Now I have to get Radha under control. It's time to teach her a lesson, Mom.
What are you doing here? Go away from here.
But Mother...